Привіт-привіт! My name is Ina. I have a passion for teaching and am an aspiring writer. In this video, I would like to share with you my mission and interests. I am a professional teacher of Ukrainian with master's degree in linguistics. For the past 3 years, I've been doing the work I truly love, helping people around the world to study Ukrainian language through my personal online lessons and courses. My mission is to motivate and inspire people to study my beautiful language easily and fun. That's why I have created customized courses, also free video lessons on Instagram and the textbook. Practicing yoga, playing the guitar and listening to music is my inspiration for creating the learning materials. I believe learning a language makes people closer and happier. I invite you to follow my social networks and blog, and I will be glad to help you to study Ukrainian language.